We like to think that we know what reality is. It's the solid, everyday world about us. And normally, I would agree with you. It's what we can see and touch and feel and smell and hear. When we think of reality, we often like to think solid as a rock. You can't get any more real than a rock. But within physical reality, there's another kind of solidity which isn't exactly solid. Flowing water. Water is solid, but you can certainly disturb the solidity of it. The ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus is supposed to have said, "You never step in the same river twice," indicating the fleeting nature of the physical reality within which we live, and how its only constant is change. A good deal of what we consider to be our solid physical reality actually has many ephemeral things in it, which are here today and gone tomorrow. Plants, animals, insects, even our own selves. Quantum theorist John K. Harms says our reality boils down to basically two particles, the photon and the neutrino. And the photon is light. Are we really then just made of light? The religions of Western culture have loaded our reality with fear. We are taught from birth that not only is this reality a place to fear, but the reality which comes after we are alive, after we die, is also a place and a thing to fear. The religions of Eastern cultures, on the other hand, especially Hinduism, teach that our physical reality is something which is called Maya, that it is an illusion with which we are covered and with which we cover ourselves, that ultimately all that is in the world about us is not really real. We don't pretend to have all of the answers. We don't pretend to have some of the answers. In that regard, we're all on the road. We're all on this journey together, sharing and living through this physical reality, this life we have. We don't believe in God, at least not in any known Western sense of the word. It's too fraught with fear that there is an eternal, always living, always loving presence in the universe. We accept, but it is each and every one of our own selves, no matter how hurt, no matter how tortured, no matter how abused. There is that eternal sense, that eternal self in you that lives and loves. That makes every one of us responsible, but in a good way. The Chinese philosopher Chuang-Tzu once dreamed that he was a butterfly, flitting gaily to and fro. And when he awoke, he did not know whether he was Chuang-Tzu dreaming that he was a butterfly, or a butterfly dreaming that he was Chuang-Tzu. So here we are. Come join us in our exploration of reality. Find your part in it. Have fun doing it. This is Roy Wadler, for the Outlands Community, USA.